Good afternoon, good evening, welcome back to the Left Seat Flying channel. Hunter Anderson with you again today. Today starts a new series. It is now the IFR series. Currently sat here in a cold dark Phoenix A320 at Gatwick. This series is going to be split up into 3 videos, which is going to, apologies, 4 videos, which is going to consist of pushback, startup, taxi and takeoff, which is going to be this video. Our next video is going to be climb to cruise. Our next video is going to be descent to touchdown and parking, and then the video after that is going to be how to operate IFR on Unicom. So we're going to quickly get this plane ready to fly, and I'll show you some other things as well. Okay, so welcome to SimBrief. I've built a quick flight plan up. So on the current aircraft, our call sign is going to be Easy 98 Echo. We're going to be departing out of Gatwick. We're going to arrive into Edinburgh. A2200. Departure time is 11:35 Zulu, which means I have 30 minutes to get this plane ready to go. Cruising at 34,000, our cost index is 12. I have 180 passengers on board today, and our departure out of Gatwick 26 letters, the Lamborn 6 Mike departure, and we arrive on the IMPIP 1 Echo on the runway 24 into Edinburgh. So to get this into our VATSIM, we need to quickly go pre-file on the network, click on pre-file there on next to VATSIM, it'll review, then we'll wait for it to respond, then it'll be here, that's all up here now, and we just click file plan at the bottom. So I'll see you back in the flight deck, and I'll teach you how to get this plane started up. So when going on the VATSIM network, you enter your call sign here, so that's Easy 98 Echo, enter it here, A320, then we're going to click on just Airbus A320 there. Our cell cow, that's that thing right there, that's our cell cow code. So we enter in Juliet Kilo dash Alpha Sierra, then we press connect. There we go, now we're on the network, so we'll start getting this plane started up. So up top we're going to start by turning on the external power. Bring everything to life, then batteries 1 and 2 can come on. Next we turn on our outer fuel pumps. Then we go down to the lights and we turn our strobe lights to auto. We set our navigation and logo lights to setting 1. Then we arm our emergency exit lights. We turn our crew supply on. We turn our ground control on. We do our test up here. Test 2. Test 3. Then what we need to do now is we need to head back down to the cockpit view, where we will open up the oxygen mask, test them, and then we will go up top and we'll now set IRS-1, then our furthest way.
Delta 11 Heavy, then taxi the 711 Foxtrot Alpha.
Apologies, so we set our central one. So then we're going to go on to Phoenix, going to import our flight plan from SimBrief. If you haven't got that ready yet, you need to go over to here, and then it should be in where, apologies, I can't remember where it is now. It could be in, there it is. So it's probably going to be in Navigraph, and like just like sync all your stuff in there. In settings as well, you have your SimBrief username, Navigraph connection, and then if you have a Hoppy Aircars code, you can put that in somewhere. So we will get GSX going very shortly, and I will see you shortly. So we have got GSX on the way now. We're going to quickly open up this door here. We're in this lovely Phoenix cabin. Throttles are all set there. Now I'm going to go downstairs and we're going to get this flight plan imported into the database.
Fuel truck is in position.
So first we need to click on ATSU. Then we need
Please
to go
don't load
to
aircraft until the
AOC
fuel
menu,
truck arrives and ask to do it.
flight init, edit data request. This should all load up. Text, there we go. Then we're going to go to initial, init request. Then it's going to be U3621, I don't know, it's a random one. Then remember that cost index from earlier, that 12?
She said she was 12!
Input that into the cost index here. And then our cruise 340 also goes in here. We're then going to go for the flight plan button here. I'm going to click on Gatwick, departure, 26 left, and the Lambon 6 Mike departure. Now, it's not going to be any ATC at Edinburgh, so we'll quickly file that arrival now, which is the ILS 224. Go down, it's the IMPIT 1 Echo arrival. Our VIA is Tara, so we'll insert that. And then we will get the 8th up for Gatwick, and I will shoot out for clearance.
Gatwick traffic, Tomjet 4 Golf Delta 4 mile final for 26 left, Gatwick traffic.
So we need to be speedy with our thing to this, so if we go for here, we can look at the VA, it's 126, 125. We can see it's information Golf. The QNH here is 1014. Temperature is 20, dew point is 18. Wind is 2806 knots, 26 left is in use as expected, transition level flight level 70. So we are going to give Gatwick ground a shout by saying this. So we are easy 98 Echo. We're in A320. Now if we look on charts, our stand number is on the screen now. So we need to enter that. We need
Shuttle 9 Foxtrot, Monitor Unicom 122 decimal 8, bye bye.
Travis Unicom now, 122 decimal 8, thank you for the service, and see you later, Shuttle 9 Foxtrot.
So we have to enter our stand number, which is 24 for today, I believe. We get information Golf, the QNH 1014. We need to say we're requesting an IFR clearance up to our destination Edinburgh. So we say, so it's going to be Gatwick ground, easy 98 Echoes, A320, and stand 24 with information Golf. We have the QNH 1014 on board, requesting IFR clearance to Edinburgh is filed. So I'll say that now.
Fine, 1 Pablo Alpha, stand 564, request push.
Gatwick ground, good afternoon, easy 98 Echoes and A320, stand 24 with information Golf for the QNH 1014 on board, requesting IFR clearance to Edinburgh is filed, please.
Easy 98 Echo, Gatwick ground, hello, cleared to Edinburgh via the Lambourne 6 Mike departure, squawk 7262.
We are cleared to Edinburgh via the Lambourne 6 Mike departure, and our squawk is 7262, easy 98 Echo.
Easy 98 Echo, correct.
So that's our read back correct there, so we're going to go down here now, we're going to enter in here.
Boarding requested.
So we need to quickly go turn this on here. Turn our setup pumps on now, and then we'll get the CPU started up. So we're going to enter in here 7262, so that's on, and TA. Now we have a bit of waiting to do, but I'll see you when this plane's ready to go.
Condor 1 Alpha Romeo, request taxi.
Condor 1 Alpha Romeo, taxi holding point Mike 1, runway 26 left via Mike.
Taxi holding point Mike 126 left via Mike, Condor 1 Alpha Romeo.
Tomjet 4
Then we'll drop it after expect stand 48.
Any chance of one of the stands on Pier 3, the most northern one of the southern terminal?
So welcome back to the flight deck. We're going to turn on the APU bleed, because now boarding is complete. So we can press
Gatwick ground Rhino 1 Alpha Papa Ridge, copy Alpha clearance to Budapest.
So
And 1 Alpha Papa Gatwick ground, report aircraft type and stands number.
turn on beacon light. That disconnects the GPU and the chocks.
Boeing 737-8 and SAM 172.
So I will see you when the refractor gets connected.
Block your ear.
Ground Easy 98 Echo, stand 24, ready, push and start.
C98 Echo, stand 24, push and start approved, face east.
Push start approved, face east, Easy 98 Echo. So when it says face east, it means we need our plane's nose, like we need to be pointing to a taxi into the east.
Gatwick Ground Rhino 1 Alpha Papa ready, push and start, stand 172.
So we're going to press north right.
Rhino 1 Alpha Papa, stand 172, push and start approved, face south.
Park and brake. So
Push and start approved, facing south, Rhino 1 Alpha Papa, thank you.
On our TCA. Then we're going to release our parking brake.
Release parking brake. Commencing push. All engines are clear. Start at will.
We're going to turn our chronometer on. And we're going to turn on engine 1 first, that's how we usually run it. And then I will see you very shortly at the end of the pushback. So here we're going to reset.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start.
Turn
You can disconnect.
2 now.
Unlocking the nose gear.
So that's that engine 2. Then we are going to go up top and we're going to turn our taxi light on. Now when engine 2 starts up we can turn off the APU however we are still going now. So when she walks away with the bypass pin we can call for taxi. So I will see you then.
Push stop approved, facing south, Rhino 7 Kilo Lima.
So that's ready to go. We can turn our APU off. Go downstairs and we'll turn our ignition back to normal mode, which means our engine just can run normally. Then we're going to give gap. We're going to quickly apologize. We're going to go onto master balance and send it to MCDU. Click off onto our departure performance page. If it wants to work. We'll try and get that working. There we go. So we're going to sync the load sheet final. We're going to sync the light direct. We're going to set the Baxter on. Calculate. So 150 knots to V1, 150 knots to VR, 152 knots to V2. Flaps 1 down 0.3 trim.
He's 5% Alpha, just requesting start.
Manflex is 60. Okay. So we're going to give Gap a ground shout and we're going to say.
5% Alpha, confirm start only.
We're going to say
165.
the runway now.
257 Alpha, confirm you're starting only.
Yeah, starting only. You try to turn Alpha, apologies.
257 Alpha, roger, hold position, start approved.
Hold position and start. You to pick up that Alpha. 89's Echo, stand 558 related to push.
290
Easy 98 Echo ready for taxi.
298 Echo, taxi holding points, Mike 1, runway 26 left, via Mike.
Mike 126 left via Mike, easy 98 Echo. So on screen now the taxi route and we will to complete that route now. So with 1024 we're going to continue on Juliet. It's not back, we're going to continue on Juliet. Tiny bit of power, no more than 25 or 30 M on apologies. And then we'll also get us going. Now we're going to
Easy 5% Alpha, requesting push.
257 Alpha, roger, hold position, now call you back.
arm out speed brakes.
Gatwick Ground Rhino 1 Alpha Papa ready for taxi.
Right there, 1 Alpha Papa, taxi straight ahead, hold short to Juliet.
Straight ahead, hold short Juliet Rhino 1 Alpha Papa, thank you.
Gatwick Ground, hello, this is Season 92 Yankee Kilo on 0 impact.
290 Yankee Kilo, Gatwick Ground, Hello, taxi stand 112 via Quebec and Lima.
Stand 112 via Quebec and Lima for a reason, I think.
Our lights on now, departure lights.
Right there, 7 Kilo Lima, verify squawk 1462.
Squawk 1462, Rhino 7 Kilo Lima.
We're going to set the squawk to TARA mode.
Busy 57 Alpha, after the British Airways 737 passes from your left to right behind.
We will get over to
Stand
tower
165, push your full decimal T3 0, bye-bye.
124.230, great job. Let's see you later, bye. So it's over to 124.230 now.
Right there, 1 Alpha Papa, taxi holding points, Alpha 3, runway 26 left via Juliet, Papa and
So
Alpha
that's
November.
frequency, so we're going to click that there.
Taxi.
Now we're going to say it on screen now, which is easy 98 Echo is holding Mike 1 runway 26 left. So then we're also going to say we're fully ready. So Easy 98 Echo, holding Mike 126 left, fully ready.
Easy 98 Echo, Gatwick Tower, hello for your Mike 1, southwest wind 280 degrees 6 knots, runway 26 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 26 left, easy 98 Echo. So we're gonna put a power figure onto the runway now. Now what we're going to do from here is we're going to make sure we land with the runway fully verified. Given that as we turn onto the runway we start our chronometer. Then, as it's seen on screen now, here's a little hand reveal. Here's my TCA side stick and throttle here. So we're going to start by putting a bit of forward pressure on. We're going to set 50% N1s. Then we'll get moving. Then there is Manflex 60 SRS runway off the blue. Reasonable things out of the sea off there. Then our takeoff power is now set. And we'll just go fresh over 26 left now with kind of extended the last pad here at Gatwick. 100 knots is checked to be verified. Both sides of the aircraft. Maintain that set line. 140 knots. V1, hands on the throttle, rotate. Then we stick with the positive rate, gear up. Then we climb out. So what we're going to do is we're going to start our climb at 4,000 feet.
Good afternoon, Gatwick Tower, right now 1 Alpha Papa with you, Alpha 3.
Right now 1 Alpha Papa Tower, hello, hold Alpha 3.
Hold Alpha 3, right now 1 Alpha Papa.
Easy 98 Echo, no further ATC, monitor Unicom 1CT decimal 8, bye bye.
Over Unicom 9 Echo, we're see you later, bye.
Bye.
Easy 5% Alpha with you.